How to fix electrical plate. It stopped working. The reason was that both plates were on maximum, and as a result of this, the thermal fuse inside stopped conducting, so it's too much current. So I open it, and you can see that from the entrance here there is a white line, and inside here there is this thermal fuse sitting. If we buy like 10 thermal fuses for very little money, then we just have to replace it. So I already took it out and replaced, and I will show you that right now it's conducting current. So this is disconnected, this thermal fuse. Checking the new thermal fuse that I put in. So one side is here and the other side is here, and you can see it's conducting. So if everything is okay, I already tested it, it's okay. And just in order that the user will not put it on maximum both sides the same again, and will run more than the 15 amp allowed, I just add some sign here for maximum. What's left is just put the cover on, put some Phillips, and after a few minutes everything is working.